If you're facing a Stripe transaction error, it can block payments and leave you or your customers frustrated. Yeah, this usually happens because of card issues, account settings, or temporary network problems. But don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix Stripe transaction errors fast. First, look at the exact error message in your Stripe dashboard. Stripe provides codes like card_declined, insufficient_funds, or processing_error. Knowing the code helps you identify the problem quickly. For card-related errors, double-check the customer's card number, expiration date, CVC, and billing address. Even small mistakes can trigger a failed transaction. Next, make sure the customer has sufficient funds and hasn't hit daily card limits. Declined payments often happen because the bank blocks the transaction. Check your Stripe account verification and API keys. Unverified accounts or incorrect keys can prevent transactions from processing. After confirming all info is correct, retry the transaction. Temporary network or bank issues can sometimes cause one-time failures. If the transaction still fails, contact Stripe support. They can review the account and provide guidance for resolving transaction-specific errors. And that's it. Following these steps usually fixes Stripe transaction errors so payments can go through smoothly. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more Stripe troubleshooting tips.